Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you all will be fine. I'm your math teacher. I'm Shagufta Makbool. Please open this book of Oxford New Countdown Book 1. Page number is 23. Today our topic is place value. Question number 5 is here. What number does the abacus show? Write in the box. 1 has been done for you. Look at here. A part is done for you. We are starting from B part. First of all, I am going to tell you here is T and here is O. T is for tens and O is for ones. T means tens and O means ones. How many tens are here? 10 mean 10. How many group of tens are here? You will have to count. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads are here. 7 beads are here mean 7 tens are here. So we will say 7 tens mean 70. 7 tens mean 70. O is here. Once we are not seeing any bead is here, and so we can say, and we will write here 7 tens means 70. 7 tens mean 70. Look at C. How many tens are here? This is a one group of 10. So we will write here 10. We will write here 10. We will write here 10. O is here. O is used for ones. Look at here. 0 ones is here. So we will write here how many tens are here. 1 10 is here. So we will write here 10. Next one, question number 6 is draw beads on the abacus to show the numbers. Write in the box. 1 has been done for you. Look at here. We will start from B part. What is written here? 20. 20 is written here. You will have 2, 2, 0. How many tens are here? 20 mean 2 tens. You will have to draw 2 beads. 1 10 and 2 10. 10 and 10, 20. So 0 is here. So we will write here. It's mean here is no bead. So we write here 20 like this way. What is written here? 60 is written here. 60 mean at this time we have how many tens? We have 6 tens. We have 6 tens at this time. So we will have to draw 6 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 beads are here. 1 10, 1 10 mean 10, 2 10 mean 20, 3 10 mean 30, 4 10 mean 40, 5 10 tens mean 50, and 6 tens mean 60. We will write here 60, 60. Once no one is here, ones are here. No, you are seeing any bead here? No, it's mean we have at this time 60 tens. We will have to draw like this way. Next one is look at here. D part is here. 50 is written here. 50 mean 5 tens. 5 tens and once no 0 1 is here. Look at here. You will have to draw 5 beads. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 tens mean 50. You will write here like this way 50. Next one is 70. 70 means we will have to draw 7 beads. 70 means 7 tens means 70. 1 2 3 4 5, 6, 7. 7 tens mean 70. We will write like this way. You will have to complete this page like this way. I am showing you. Okay, you will have to turn next page. We will complete next page. Open page number 24. Question number 7 is, how many tens in the given number? One has been done for you. Look at here. Here is B part. 60. Two numbers are given here. Look at here. This is tens and this is ones. You will have to write how many tens are here. 6 or 0. It's mean at this time we have 6 tens. We will write here 6. 90 is here. 90 is here. This is tens and this is ones. How many tens are here? 90. 9 tens mean 99. 80. 8 tens are here. We will write here 8. 8 tens mean 80. Look at question number 8. Write in tens and ones. One has been done for you. 20. You will have to write separately how many tens and ones are here. This is tens and this is 1. 2 tens and 0 ones. We will have to write 3 and 0. This is tens. 3 tens, 0 ones. C is here. How many tens are given here? 7 tens are here. You will write here 7. TEN, 7 tens means 70. How many ones are here? 0 ones. ONES, 0 ones. We will have to complete next question. Question number 9 is here. We will have to complete question number 9. Write the missing word. One has been done for you. 2 tens and 0 ones. You will have to write number in words. 20. You will write spellings of 20. 4 tens 0. 40. You will write spelling of 40. FORTY. 40. Next one is 7 tens 0 ones. 7 tens means 70. So you will write here spelling of 70. SEVENTY. Next one is 9 tens and 0 ones. It's mean 90. NINETY. 90. So you will have to write like this way. You will have to complete this page like this way. If you are feeling any difficulty, you can discuss with me. Today you will have to complete page number 23 and 24 on book of countdown. After doing this page, you will have to complete part B, C and D. Part B, C and D of question number 6 in notebook of math. Thank you so much.